Imagine this: a loved one has passed, and suddenly you're not just grieving, you're now also faced with a mountain of paperwork, legal jargon, and the daunting task of selling their home. It's overwhelming, right? But what if I told you there's a secret weapon? A little known process that can transform this stressful ordeal into a smooth, even empowering journey. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will have a roadmap to navigate through all of it. Hi there, and welcome back to California Probate Real Estate Made Simple. I'm Gary DeGrazia, and today I'm diving deep into a topic often shrouded in mystery and fear: probate home sales. For many, the word probate alone conjures images of endless legal battles and financial headaches. And then when it's tied to the emotional weight of a family home, it becomes a recipe for significant stress. But it doesn't have to be that way. I'm here to bust those myths and equip you with a powerful 5-step survival guide that will make selling a probate home not just manageable, but understandable. And this isn't just theory. It's practical, actionable advice designed to save you money, save you time, and most importantly, your peace of mind during an already difficult time. Before I jump into my 5 steps, I just want to plant a seed. There's one critical mistake almost everyone makes during a probate sale that ends up costing them thousands and sometimes even tens of thousands of dollars and significantly prolongs the process. Now, I'll reveal what that mistake is and how you can avoid it just a little bit later on in this video, so make sure you stay with me till the end. All right, let's get into my 5-step survival guide for navigating a probate home sale. Step 1, understand the probate process and get your ducks in a row. First things first, you need to understand probate isn't a single event. It's a legal process in order to validate a will, if there is one, and distribute the deceased person's assets. This is where the court ensures that everything is handled properly and fairly. Your initial step is to consult with a probate attorney. Now, this isn't an optional extra. This is essential. Your probate attorney will guide you through petitioning the court, appointing an executor or administrator, and getting letters of testamentary or letters of administration. These are the documents that legally authorize you to act on behalf of the estate, including selling the property. And please, don't try to DIY this. A good probate attorney will be your shield and your sword, ensuring compliance and preventing costly delays or any legal missteps. They'll clarify if you need full authority or limited authority from the court for the sale. And this is a crucial distinction that will ultimately impact how quickly you can move. Step 2, assess the property condition and its value. Once you have legal authority, it's time to get a clear picture of the home itself. And this involves 2 key things: assessing its physical condition and determining its market value. For condition, walk through the property with a critical eye. Do you see any major repairs that are needed? Is there a leaky roof? Outdated electrical? Sometimes doing a few strategic repairs can significantly increase the sales price. But in other cases, selling as is might be the best option, especially if the estate is strapped for cash or time. Next, valuation. You'll want to get an independent appraisal. It's usually court ordered. And also consult with a local real estate agent who specializes in probate sales. They'll be able to provide you with a comparative market analysis, or a CMA, which will show you what similar homes in the area have recently sold for and are selling for. This dual approach ensures that you have a realistic market price essential for court approval, and most importantly, attracting the right buyers. Step 3, prepare the property for sale. This isn't about gutting the house, unless that's the strategic play. This step is about making smart decisions to maximize appeal and value, but without you overspending. For many probate homes, decluttering and cleaning are absolute paramount. Often these homes contain generations of belongings, so you'll need to go through personal items, maybe even coordinate an estate sale if that's appropriate, and then get the house professionally cleaned. A fresh, clean, and depersonalized space will allow potential buyers to envision themselves living there. Consider minor, cost-effective updates, a fresh coat of neutral paint, fixing small cosmetic issues, improving the curb appeal. These offer a high rate of return on investment. And here's a pro tip. Consult with your probate specialized real estate agent. They often have trusted contractors and a keen eye for what brings the most bang for your buck in your specific market. Step 4, marketing and finding the right buyer. This step requires strategic exposure. You need a real estate agent who understands the nuances of probate sales, someone who can navigate court confirmations, unique probate disclosure requirements, and the often longer timelines. Your agent should implement a robust marketing plan, professional photography, virtual tours, online listings, open houses, and targeting specific buyer demographics. They also need to understand how to handle offers that come with probate contingency clauses and court dates. Remember, buyers for probate homes can come in different forms. Some are looking for a turnkey property, while others actively are seeking fixer-uppers. A skilled probate agent will know how to present the property to attract the right audience, ensuring that you are getting the best possible offers. And step 5, navigate the legal sale process and then close the sale. This is where all the groundwork culminates. The sales process in probate has additional legal layers, and it's critical that you have your attorney and your probate agent working in tandem. Once an offer is accepted, your attorney drafts the notice of proposed action and the confirmation of sale if you have full authority. This step might be simpler for you if you have full authority, but if you have limited authority, the court might require an overbid process where other buyers can come in and bid on the property in court. This is exactly why having an experienced probate real estate agent and attorney is crucial. They will guide you through disclosure forms specific to probate and coordinate with title companies that specialize in these types of transactions, and they'll ensure all court deadlines are met. Finally, upon court confirmation and approval, the sale will close and the proceeds will be deposited into the estate's bank account, where eventually at the end of probate, which is called final distribution, those funds will be distributed to the heirs, either following what's laid out in the will or following probate code. Now, remember that critical mistake that I mentioned earlier? That one mistake that costs families thousands or tens of thousands of dollars and endless headaches? Here it is. The biggest mistake families make during a probate home sale is not hiring a real estate agent who specializes in probate from the very beginning. Too often, families hire the first agent that they know, or a general real estate agent who doesn't understand the intricate legal requirements, the court timelines, the specific disclosure laws that are all involved in probate. And this ends up leading to missed deadlines, improperly drawn up contracts, deals falling through, and ultimately delays and lost money. A general agent might recommend expensive renovations that aren't really necessary for a probate sale, or they might not know how to handle the unique marketing challenges. A probate specialized agent, on the other hand, works hand in hand with your probate attorney. They understand the court requirements and knows how to position and price the property to gain court approval and attract serious buyers. This will often end up saving you a significant amount of time and money. And it's not just about selling a house. It's about navigating a sensitive, legally complex process. So don't underestimate the power of specialized expertise. You want a probate real estate expert, not just a real estate agent. Navigating a probate home sale can feel like an emotional and legal minefield. But with this 5-step guide and the right team behind you, it can be a simple, clear path forward. So if you're facing a probate sale and you want a personalized consultation, find a list of qualified probate real estate specialists and attorneys who are in your area, or maybe you simply just have more questions. What you should do right now is check the link in the description to this video where you can request a free probate real estate sales kit. And don't forget, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more essential probate real estate insights. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my empowering videos. And be sure to share this video with anyone that you know who might be going through this challenging process. Your support helps me create more valuable content like this. But for now, I just want to say thank you for watching, and remember, you do not have to go through this alone. We are here to help you.